If you want to export just one selected clip in CapCut PC instead of rendering your entire timeline, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it the right way. This is super useful when you only want to save a specific section of your project, whether you're trimming a long edit, exporting a test section, or just need one perfect clip without wasting time exporting everything else. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC and go to the timeline where your clip is already placed. Now look at the playhead at the top of your timeline. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want your selected clip to begin. This is the start of the section you want to export. Once you've positioned it correctly, press the letter I on your keyboard. That sets the in point, which tells CapCut where your export selection should start. Next, move the playhead to the exact endpoint of the clip you want to export. Make sure it lands right where you want the output to stop, because this will define the final boundary of your exported video. When you've reached the end, press the letter O on your keyboard. That sets the out point. And now CapCut knows the full highlighted range you want to export. At this point, you should see that your selected portion is defined by the in and out points. This is the key step that tells CapCut to ignore the rest of your timeline and focus only on the part you marked. Now that your clip is selected, go to the top right corner and click Export. CapCut will open the export settings. And because you set the in and out points first, it will only output the highlighted section instead of the entire project. From there, you can choose your preferred format, resolution, and quality settings just like normal. Once everything looks good, click the final export button to save your clip to your computer. And that's it. You've now exported only the selected clip in CapCut PC. This is a simple but powerful workflow that can save you a lot of time, especially if you create lots of short edits or want to preview one section without exporting the whole video. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.